Hi everyone, how are you today? I just wanted to take a minute and introduce myself to you and welcome you to the class for the fall. This is Sociology 306, which is career planning for Soc majors. So I'm imagining that you're all Soc majors, but I guess we'll find out when we get there. I don't know why I loved this little guy's cheeks, but I had to put this picture in there. And hopefully that will be a feeling you feel at one point. The path there may not be that simple, and we're going to kind of talk about that throughout the course of the semester. I can't tell you how many jobs I've had and quit and stuff to get me to where I am today, but I'll be sure to share all that with you as we get to know each other. This class is going to be a lot of fun. It's going to be a lot of kind of what I consider practical knowledge that hopefully will lead you somewhere, will hopefully help you, stuff you can keep in your pocket when you're navigating the job world. It's not easy, but it's something that can be done, and every one of you has it in you to do it. And so we're just going to work on it together. I'm going to be as supportive as I possibly can, and when I can't be supportive, if I can't help you, I'm going to make sure that I find resources to answer questions that I'm unable to. This is going to be a project. This class is going to be a project. There's going to be a lot of discovery and working in groups and hearing from others. I have a long list of people coming in to talk to you about their career pathways, and we're going to get you something concrete that you can take with you after this is over to go into the job market or the grad school world. So I'll see you guys Tuesday morning, but I just wanted to say hello officially. And on Tuesday, I hope to share some of myself and hopefully to hear from you guys. But if you have questions or if you want any clarification of anything prior, please reach out to me. This whole module or this whole class is pretty much on the Canvas shell. So everything you need in terms of getting the written material or links or any of that stuff is all here. So you don't have to buy a book. I have philosophical reasons why I think paying for textbooks are not always the best thing, because I'm not sure who's benefiting from the price. But these are the books that you're going to need. You majored in what? Now what? Great Jobs for Sociology Majors are all on here. If you love them, if a hard copy would be something that you could take with you and use, I totally respect that and want you to go buy it. I bought my copies, but I have a job. So do what you feel is right. I would say use what's on the modules for now, and then when it comes time to not have them anymore, although you can download them and keep them forever, you might want a hard copy, and that'll be your choice. Okay, but I don't want you not buying the book to get in the way of your success. All right, so the syllabus is here. I'm not going to print copies, but we're going to go over it on the first day, so I'll have it up on the screen. But if you want a hard copy, bring yourself a hard copy, okay? And I guess that's all for now. There's going to be so much to talk about and so much to do, and we're just going to take it 1 week at a time. But you have the syllabus. I would love it if you would, look it over before you got here. And then I'm going to ask you guys to answer these questions, which are very simple. You don't have to have done any homework, okay? But I do make you talk. Yeah, we talk a lot in sociology. We're talkers. So there'll be some talking, so just be prepared. If you've been in a class with me before, you know we talk a lot. But if you haven't, you'll see. Okay, so enjoy the last few days of summer. Go do nice things for yourselves and people that you care about, and anyone, actually. And then I will see you bright and early, crack it on. Well, maybe not quite. 8 a.m., okay? Salazar 2013, and we'll get started. All right. Take care.